We have a 2005 GMC Yukon. We've lost the defrost for the rear window, and we've lost the wiper. No action. This doesn't seem to work, and the wiper won't do anything. Check the fuses and the switch. It's great. We have also power coming back to both 12 volts, but we think that there may be a problem with the ground. So a lot of times when you have something like this that hinges back and forth, the wires over time will break internally. So I'm going to remove this boot, just kind of pry it back, and then see how those wires are looking. There we go. So once you get it started, it shouldn't be that bad. Get the boot off. And we can just do an inspection and maybe use a multi-tester to see if there might be an internal break in the wire. Oh yeah, look at that. So that blue one, I can see already there's some kind of problem there. Let's take a look here and see if we can fix it. Oh yeah, and then this one's broken too. Yep. So if we repair these two wires, we're probably going to be okay. So I'm going to press in on this tab so I can get this wiring harness out to do some work on it. There's a tab there at the top. Get that one out. That's going to let me get this plug out. There we go. So there's the wires coming in. They look good. And just this point where it hinges back and forth, I ended up with some wires that broke. The orange one for sure. So I'll repair that one and then see if that gives me functionality back to the wiper and also to the defrost. But that blue one looks like it's troublesome too. It looks like I can undo this part of the plug too. Yeah, there we go. And then this part is just the water coming back to the wiper. So this is the part I really want to get to here. Giving me a little bit better access. So take a look at these wires. That blue one might be okay. You might just need to work on the insulation part. Yellow, the orange one though, definitely gonna need a repair. So I'm just gonna give it a little jumper wire for right now and see what happens. So I'm going to use a little connector for a jumper wire to repair that broken orange wire, and we're going to give it a test. Put that in there, just crimp it down, and then I'll do one on the other side. Go. Okay, so I'm going to jump it back this wire a little bit. A little bit exposed there. So I can go a little bit more, I think. There we go. Alright, that's good. And we're going to just expose this one. Push the boot back a little bit. Give me some more room to work with. Alright. Put that one back. There we go. Okay, we're going to put on the jumper. bridge that broken wire. So get that one ready. I'm just going to twist these strands of this wire a little bit so they fit in there better. There we go. I'll go and crimp that down. Hold it. Got it. Okay, and we're going to do the other side. So I'll set it up. Same thing. Get it on the blue one. There. Okay. Put this wire in. Crimp it. Alright, there we go. So I'm going to do a little test to see if the motor will kick in now. Okay, we're going to put this modular piece back and give it a test. Just plug it into here. There we go. Make sure it clicks. Just repaired that orange wire. Alright. We're going to put this in and close the door in case there's any kind of a sensor that won't let it operate when the door is open. It's possible. Put that back, the boot back, that wire in the boot. Definitely moving. This second speed, first speed. Both speeds are working, they just seem pretty slow. Off, it goes back to the home base, so it's working good again, but just doesn't seem super fast. I'll go and close that gate. All done.